Welcome, Sybil Creates is back with a new tutorial and a new camera. Well, it's not a new camera, but it is the first time I'm using it to film. Unfortunately, it's not the best camera for filming either, but it is better than my iPhone. I was hoping to share this tutorial last week, but the filming and editing process was a nightmare. Footage got lost and the filming with the camera I primarily use for photography is a chore. Trust me, I still have so much to learn. This tutorial did not go as planned, but mistakes can be a great teacher, so enjoy. It's not every day you get to do a princess's hair, but Princess Tiana was in need of something special, something suitable for a royal wedding. She didn't want to steal the limelight, so we settled for simple cornrows. Unfortunately, Princess Tiana's hair was not in the best condition, so I don't know how I feel about the final result. She does look amazing, but I can do so much better, so expect another tutorial for cornrows for dolls in the future. If you wish to recreate this simple cornrow hairstyle, you'll be needing a doll, of course, a brush, neck along braiding hair, which isn't a must, but I use Sensational's African Collection Jumbo Braid in colour 4, a rat tail comb or a safety pin, hair bands and patience. Trust me, you'll need patience. You might also need scissors. I began by dividing her hair into two. Princess Tiana's hair is rather sparse and could do with a reroot. The doll hair you choose to use should have a good amount of hair. A blunt haircut is also something I would avoid. Tiana's ends are quite blunt, so they stuck out of the cornrows. I tried really hard to conceal this. Once you have divided the hair, choose a side to work on. This makes the process so much more easier. Part a fine strip of hair and section the rest off. I originally planned to use a rat tail comb, but mine is way too blunt, so I decided to use a safety pin. Thoroughly brush the strip of hair, removing any tangles or knots. Your braiding hair should be ready to go. If you don't know how to prepare braiding hair, please check out my other doll hairstyle tutorials. I don't have any footage to show, as I am using leftover hair from another project. Your folded braiding hair will play the role of strand 1 and strand 2 of the cornrow. Strand 3 of the cornrow will be your doll's hair. There are so many ways to cornrow hair. You can cornrow doll's hair without braiding hair, but I've decided to use braiding hair for this tutorial because Tiana's hair is quite sparse. Whoops, I'm sorry, I mean Princess Tiana's hair is sparse. There are so many ways to cornrow hair using braiding hair, but I feel this method is best as it provides great grip and a solid hold. Begin by braiding the braiding hair. As you go down, gradually grab pieces of your doll's hair. Braid as tightly as you can because dolls can't feel pain. Watch again carefully. The best way to learn how to cornrow is by watching. Again. Once you complete one cornrow, the rest should be easy and walk in the park. Something is missing. Ah, yes, perfect. Princess Tiana was pleased with the final result. Everyone at the royal wedding loved it. I feel it could have been better, and I will revisit cornrows for dolls in the future. I will also spend some time trying to get to know this camera, as the footage could also be a bit better. Film tutorials for dolls' hairstyles is often harder than it looks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.